So let's see the next question. Rahini took a loan of rupees 12,000 with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. If she paid rupees 4,320 as interest at the end of the loan period, what was the rate of interest? So this is our question. First we will write down what is given in the question. Right. Rahini took a loan of rupees 12,000. So P is equal to 12,000 rupees. Write the rupees here. Then with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. Therefore, time is equal to rate of interest. If she paid rupees 4,320 as interest at the loan period, at the end of loan period, what was the rate of interest? That is, SI is equal to rupees 4,320. What do you have to calculate from this question? We have to calculate the R. R equals question mark. So we have the formula SI equals PRT by 100. P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period taken. Right. So in the question it's given simple interest is 4,320. Right. 4,320 equals, what is P? P is given as 12,000. So P is 12,000 into, what is R? R we have to find out. Right. So we write it R here into T. T is given as, T is with simple interest for as many years as the rate of interest. So T will be equal to R. Right. So we write the T as R here, whole divided by 100. Therefore, we bring the 100 and 12,000 to the left hand side. So we get it as 4320 into 100 whole divided by 12,000 is equal to R into R is R square. So we cancel 12 and 432. We get it as 3. 36. 36 minus 43 is 7. 72 is divided by 12 is 6. So 36 into 100 divided by 1000. We cancel the 0 0 here and 0 0 here. And therefore R square equals 36. Therefore R equals plus or minus 6. Rate of interest since cannot be negative, we take R as 6%. So let's see the next question. A person crosses a 600 meter long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? So let's say a person crosses from A to B of length 600 meter in 5 minutes. Right. So this is given the question. You have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. Before that I will just say a small concept, that is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Right. This is all we know. So 1 meter equals 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, this is clear. The next concept is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Right. Therefore 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hours. Okay, this is our second concept. So we have, first we have to convert this 600 meter into kilometer, as in the question we need in the form of kilometer per hour. So 600 meter we convert it into kilometer by multiplying it by 1 by 1000 is equal to, we cancel this 0 and we get it as 6 by 10 kilometer. Then we convert 5 minutes into hours, that is 5 into 1 by 60. We get it as, we cancel 5 and 60, we get it as 1 by 12 hours. So we already know the formula for speed. Speed equals distance by time. Distance is given as 6 by 10 whole divided by, what is time? 1 by 12, right? So we get it as 6 by 10 divided by 1 by 12 is equal to 7.2 kilometer per hour. So this is our answer. So let's see the next question. We have, find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. So first I'll just show you the general form of this equation. The general form of the equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So the formula for to find out the roots of this general equation is root of quadratic equation is given by minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this question here, the coefficient a is 1, b equals 2 and c equals minus 15. So we substitute the value here. Minus b is 2. So minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square minus 4 into 1 into c is minus 15, right, whole divided by 2 into 1. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 square is 4, then 4 into 15 is 60, minus of minus we get plus. So we can write this as 4 plus 60 divided by 2 equals minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 60 is 64, root 64 is 8 divided by 2. So we can cancel 2 from both this, we get it as minus 1 plus or minus 4. Therefore, I will write it here. Therefore, the roots can be minus 1 plus 4 or minus 1 minus 4, right? So one of the roots can be 3 and the other root will be minus 5. So these two are the common roots. So let's see the next question. Ratio between two numbers is 3:4 and their sum is 420. Find the smaller number. What is given in the question is ratio of two numbers is of the form is the ratio of 3:4, right? Then let one number be, let smaller number be 3x and larger number be 4x. So what is given in the question? Their sum is 420. So the sum of the smaller number and the larger number is 420. Therefore 3x plus 4x equals 420. Therefore 7x equals 420 and x equals 60. Since x equals 60, we substitute this x here, we get this as 3 into 60 equals 180, and here substitute here 4 into 60 is equals 240. So 180 is the smaller number here, so this is the answer. So let's see the next question here. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 42. Find the middle number of the 3. So let's write it as, let 3 consecutive even numbers be x minus 2, x and x plus 2. This is because these numbers are even numbers. Okay, so in the question it's given that the sum of the 3 numbers is 42. So we can write this as x minus 2 plus x plus x plus 2 is equal to 42. So we cancel the minus 2 and plus 2 here, then we get it as 3x equals 42. Therefore x equals 42 divided by 3, which is equal to 14. Right. So here we have to find the middle number. What is the middle number here? X is the middle number. Therefore the value is 14. So 14 is the answer. So let's see the next question. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of getting a queen of club or a king of heart is. This is our question. So we have the formula. We write it as P of getting a queen of club or king of heart will be equals. So what is the probability of getting a queen of club here? It is the number of queen of club in a 52 pack card is 1 and the total number of card is 52. So getting a queen of club is 1 by 52, right? We also have or king of hearts. What is the probability of getting a king of hearts from 52 cards? It's 1, right? So 1 divided by 52 is the probability of getting a king of hearts, right? Why we do a plus symbol here? Because it's given probability of getting a queen of club or a king of heart. So we add the both the probabilities. So we get it as 1 plus 1 is 2 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 26. So this is the probability of getting a queen of club or king of hearts. So let's see the next question here. What least number must be added to 1056 so that the sum is completely divisible by 23? We have 4 options. First one is 2, then 3, 18 and 21. So the first step is we divide the number 1056 by 23. 23 into 4 is 12, 192. 23 into 5 is 15, 1, 2 is a 10, 115. So we write 4 here. It's 92. When we minus 105 from 92, we get 3, 1, 13 here, and we write the remainder here, 136. So next 136, when we want the number for 136 is 5. That is, we get 115 here. So we subtract 115 from 136, we get 21. So in this case, when we add a number, which number we add to this remainder, we get the 1000, this number completely divided by 23, which is the number that would be equal to plus 2. When we add a number plus 2 to this number, if we add a remainder plus 2 here and plus 2 here, we get 1056. That is the number 1058 is the number that would be completely divisible by 23. So what is the question? What least number must be added to 1056 so that the sum is completely divisible by 23? So the least number would be plus 2.